You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Phrase pronunciation. There are different pronunciations and options in English, so let's go through. Generally, abruptiones or abruptiones. Both pronunciations are correct and exist in English. The second word also has two different pronunciations: placentarum, or placentarum. So that gives you quite a lot of different options: abruptiones placentarum, abruptiones placentarum, abruptiones placentarum. Anyways, you get the point. At least you know it all now. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.